How to transfer your number to Lyca Mobile. In this video, I'll show you a couple of steps for you to be able to retain or keep your old phone number, transferring it over into Lyca Mobile. Now, the one that is currently flashing up on your screen is the actual support or the actual instruction for you to be able to have as your future reference as well. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is on the old phone number, all you have to do is to text the keyword PAC or PAC and then send it into 65075. Now, from this, you will receive your PAC code directly. And take note that it is going to be only valid for 30 days. Once you already have your PAC code, then all you have to do is to visit this site to keep your number on Lyca Mobile's official website. Input your phone number here and then the ICC ID, which is going to be located at the physical SIM card of your old phone number. If you don't have it, then it's going to be on a separate video on how you can look for your ICC ID. Now input everything here and choose on confirm and continue and then choose on port in. Now once you've successfully ported in the old phone number into Leica, this is where you can check the status of your porting old phone number. You simply input the reference number, hit on continue, and from there you should be able to check the status. And that's it. That's how you transfer your number to Leica Mobile.